Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and flipping the first switches. Make sure your device OS is updated, then open System or Display Settings and choose Dark Theme. Once done, enable any accessibility contrast or font options that improve legibility. Next, open one app you use most and turn on its dark theme so you confirm how colors render. These initial steps get you into a consistent dark baseline across core apps and hardware quickly. You now refine how dark mode behaves across tools. Tweak contrast and accent colors to avoid washed-out text. Small increases in contrast help readability. Make sure ThemeSync is enabled in browser or cloud account so settings follow you on other devices. If sites or apps lack dark themes, add a reputable extension or plugin and test pages you visit most. Also check developer or experimental flags for deeper integration. This is where you balance. Finish by validating your daily tasks in dark mode so nothing breaks. You should run through editing, reading, and video playback to ensure UI elements remain visible. Then set a schedule, sunset to sunrise, or pick fixed hours so transitions are automatic. If something goes wrong, try toggling the app's theme, disable extensions, or switch to high contrast briefly to isolate the issue. One key troubleshooting tip: if colors invert unexpectedly, disable forced dark extensions first and recheck the app's native settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.